If you're an 8A small business, you have a 9-year window to maximize the benefits of being in that SBA program. But more often than not, companies are going 1, 2, 3 years before ever winning an 8A set-aside contract. And in fact, some 8A small businesses never, throughout the life of their 8A program participation, they never win a contract. That's just wrong, right? You didn't go to all the trouble to become an 8A certified small business not to win. In FY 2022, just to give you numbers around this, there was roughly 6,000 certified 8A small businesses within the federal space, right? But only 2,000 of them won contracts. That is just wrong, flat out wrong, right? And we want to change that. If you commit just 2 hours a day to growing your business, you can have the success that you expected as a certified small business in the federal market. The tips I'm going to share today, they're focused on 8A. Obviously, we're trying to do a celebration around the 8A, let's call it the 8A Small Business Week. The 8A conference is going on, but they're applicable to any business out there in the federal market. I'm teaching a process that anyone can follow for success in the federal market. And so hopefully you're along for the ride on how to win your first 8A contract. If you're not an 8A firm, just change 8A to how to win your first HubZone contract, right? The process is the same for all of us.